Hello my friends, welcome back to my world of programming. My name is Tomikadi. So we're still busy with our mini series on ASP.NET Core MVC where we're talking about specifically scaffolding. So in our previous video we covered part 8 where we looked at the logout page, and now we're going to look at part 9 where we talk about access denied page as part of a scaffolding identity. Right, for you to go back and watch these videos, because I'm gonna highly recommend you start from part 1 on this mini series and watch all other videos. Please go and make sure that you watch them from this YouTube channel for license any tips. Right, good. So access denied, let's start with the UI first. Now here's the thing, here's a question: how do you trigger access denied? I'm very curious. Let's see if can we do search. Let me do this. Find was an option to find in files. Yes, this will help. Let's say access denied. I don't want to match whole words or match the case. I want to look into the entire current project, and let's find. Not this one. Okay, here's a question. I know this page. All right, but how does it get to be triggered? Access denied, and why it's so important? I'll tell you one thing. It's not part of the login, but for some reason it knows how to do exactly just that. For example, when you log in with an account that belongs to customer's role, right? You're gonna be redirected to a guest. So I want us to try to move to this guest. So let's go to your browser. You see I'm on a normal login. I can go there and then come here, right? It doesn't matter. But let's say I want to go to guest. If I say guest and hit enter, you see what it does? It redirects me to where? To the login page. And it says, listen, the return URL is going to be guest. So let's see. I'm gonna copy this guy, dump it there. Let's check what's gonna happen. And this account might not work because it hasn't yet passed all the validations that I put in place. Let's see what's gonna happen. I think it wants to go to guests. As you can see, here it is, but it refused. So unfortunately, yeah, ne? Okay, it's fine. This one won't work. Let's try again with a different account. Let's see. I do have again guests, right? I do have this one. So let's see this one. Is it gonna go to guest, or is it gonna tell me that access is denied? No, it didn't go there because, how do I explain this? The login took that information and decided what this user falls under, right? Because there are that how can I explain this? How can I explain this? I want to give you a scenario. Like I said, we searched access denied, but we can get to a place where we are not authorized to access a certain resources. It's just that this one did override, because remember we do have this return URL, right? It comes in there, right? It did override it. It did override it. It did not, in fact, entertain. Yes, it did not. Because this would have been perfect for us to do that. Let's try something. I'm curious. Let me stop this guy. I'm very, very, very curious. Then let's do this. Okay, let's do that. I'm very, very curious. Then let's fire again. How do we get it to that access denied? Let's see. I'm very, very, very curious. Like I said, these are the things I can teach you, right? Trying to figure out how I build this, and then what was the logic behind this, you know, why did I decide to do what I did, why not, you know, a different route, you know, all of that. So let's try again. Let's see. So it's gonna need us, and it's gonna have to know who are we, right? So let's see. I have disturbed with that if statement because of the return URL. Let's see. There we go. Boom. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes. Yes. There is access denied. I'm glad. You see, it's part of identity system. Access denied. You do not have access to this resource. Oh, that means I have a small bug. Ooh, I'm glad. But you know what's the problem? If this is the case, I'm still authenticated. So we need to find a way. Yes, you are. No. It's like if access has been denied, I should kick you out, right? Because for this account, I have a specific access to this dashboard. But wouldn't it be nice if I sign the user out? Think about it. Wouldn't it be nice if I send the user out? I say let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. You know what? I'm gonna create another part of the video where we're gonna look at fixing this bug, right? I'm excited. It's a potential bug. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this and then I'm gonna create another video. So I'm gonna do this, you and I, right? So we need to see, because that's a potential huge bug. Yes, access was denied, but the user was logged in, and that's a problem. All right, so listen, I can teach you all of this for 25 Rand per session. The session's a full hour long, any day from Monday to Friday. You tell me about your time, I respond telling you about my schedule, and we make it happen. If you want to learn or know anyone who might be interested in learning C# programming, particularly in .NET ecosystem, I'm going to leave my numbers, send them my way. Stay tuned for the next video. Right.